Your account health can drop in week 1 and you won't even know why. It's not your sales, it's your setup. New sellers assume account health only tracks sales performance. Defects, complaints, returns. What actually gets missed? Whether the account itself is fully verified and configured correctly from day 1, a mismatch between chosen delivery method and actual seller preferences can flag before a single defect happens. Established accounts absorb this, new ones don't. An account with months of clean performance history has room to take one bad signal without much damage. A brand new account has no history to buffer against it. One misconfiguration carries more weight. Proportionally, this is a structural risk, not a performance risk. It exists before the seller has made a single sale. Check this before you list anything. Confirm account verification status is fully complete, not just in progress or assumed done. Confirm delivery method selected actually matches your real fulfillment preference, not a default you clicked past. Confirm payment and account status show as fully active from your own Seller Central dashboard. Fix the foundation before you chase sales. Most new sellers optimize listings first and account setup second. The setup is what account health is quietly built on from day 1. Get it right before you're live, not after something already looks wrong.